So in this video, I will show you how to install this disc brake. First, take a flathead screwdriver, use it gently, and if I open the clip, you can see this in this video. And then there is a built-in screwdriver here. Just pull it out. The other end features flat bladed tip and carefully insert slightly into the seam, then gradually work it and create small gap. Once gap is formed, and you can process the next step. So you're able to install this disc brake.